This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable not safe for work content on the Reddit app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now. To enable or disable not safe for work content on the Reddit app, you have to do it within the device's settings itself. You want to go to your settings app, tap on that. Then you'll scroll down toward the bottom where you see it says apps. Tap on apps. Then you want to find Reddit. These are in alphabetical order, so you have to scroll down a ways, down to the R's. Right here's the R's. There's Reddit right there. I'm going to tap on Reddit. And then you want to scroll down toward the very bottom, right here. Reddit settings. Show not safe for work content, 18+. If this is toggled on, then you're showing not safe for work content. If it's toggled off, you're disabling not safe for work content. And down below that, if you have the top one toggled on, you can choose to blur not safe for work images. If I toggle that one on, it will blur not safe for work images. That is how to enable or disable not safe for work content on the Reddit app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.